Do you know how to check the connection between two different servers? One easiest way to do this and achieve like a build information, a build output that will give you a lot of information and valid information. If not, let me introduce you iperf. This is perfect. You got it. This is part of the series how to, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's jump to the terminal. Here we are. So let's take a look. On this machine, I have already my iperf, and then you can see that the package is iperf3, the name. In this one, iperf, if I try iperf here, I don't have it. So let's install on this client. I would like to check the connection between the client and the satellite server in this case. DNF search iperf. For the sake of the search, I don't need to put like the full name because this will be reading the metadata. And we can see that we have iperf3 for 64 and 32 bits. Basically, this is a measurement tool for TCP, UDP, bandwidth, performance. So amazing. Wally, how this works? iperf3. Man, you know already, I love man page. And you can find a lot of valid information in this one, a lot of nice examples. But as always, let me keep this simple. We have -s for server, and I can pass some options. We have -c for client, and I can pass some options as well. Okay? With that said, iperf-s. Before, let me get my host name. I know already, satellite.king.lab, but if you don't know the host name of your server, you can pick it. If you don't know the host name or if your name resolution is not working, you can use also the IP address. So iperf-s, let me clean up the screen, and voila. By default, iperf will be running on this port. Again, as part of the options, you can change this port, okay? I'm gonna keep this standard, no need to change at all. So on the client, iperf, if you don't remember, iperf3. Yeah, we didn't install. So let's install real quick. DNF install iperf3-y. Man, iperf3. Again, iperf-s is the server, and we are not using any option. We are not passing any parameter. And for the clients, iperf-c, and which server I would like to connect. So iperf-c and satellite.king.lab. And then there you go. So basically, the client will be connecting to the satellite server, or one machine will be transferring some data, and then you can get an average. Like here, we can see that was transferred 1 gig and was received 1 gig. We can see the bitrate of this interface or this transaction, 940 megabits per second, sender, and 934 megabits per second receiving. This is a very nice tool that can provide you a very accurate information in a way that you can see if your upload or download is working properly. All right. The only attention point here that I would say is you do need the server running. Like if I came to my client now and tried to connect to someone, I need that someone to be up and running and listening in order to my client to work properly. Okay. So anytime that you like to test two connections, two machines, you need iperf package on both sides. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this kind of content is helping you somehow, feel free to subscribe in this channel. You will be very, very welcome. And let me know in the comments which kind of content you would like to see in this series, the how-to series. Also, don't forget to subscribe in our Discord channel. You will be very, very welcome. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye.